Hi everyone. Today, I'm excited to share a groundbreaking idea for creating videos that no one has explored on YouTube yet. This tutorial will guide you step by step on how to generate stunning visuals, edit them into engaging videos, and start a whole new trend. Let's dive in. Step 1. Generate unique prompts. First, head over to ChatGPT or any AI text generator. Enter the prompt I'll include in this video description. For example, you can ask it to create ideas like tiny warriors riding on insects, a miniature samurai on a honeybee, for instance. You can generate as many prompts as you want by specifying the number. Step 2. Create images using AI tools. Next, visit piclumen.ai or similar websites to turn your prompts into images. Create an account and log in. Paste your prompt into the text box. Adjust settings, like image ratio, choose 9:16 for vertical videos. Select a model like Flax 1 for realistic visuals. Click Generate and your image will be ready in seconds. Download your images using the provided buttons. In this way you will copy all prompts from ChatGPT and create the image here. The next step is optional. We will make some pictures have motion, which will tool Halo AI currently the best tool for image to video. Just sign up in your end. You can also upgrade the plan for more credits, so click this little box here to upload your image. Insert this prompt that you'll find in the description and finally click this button here to generate your video. I think the video turned out great. Step for final touches. To make your video even more captivating, add background music from YouTube's free library. Overlay a watermark or logo to personalize it. Export your video in high resolution.